Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to book Delta flight tickets online. So let's get started. So first of all, you open up the Delta website, which is delta.com. And after that, you put in the place that you're in and the place that you wanted to go to. So let's say, for example, we're in Egypt and we wanted to go to New York airport. And after that, in here, it's going to ask you if you wanted to do a round trip or a one-way. Let's stick with the one-way, for example. And then it's asking you for the date that you wanted to leave on, let's say on the 13th. And after that, you press on done. And in here, it's asking how many passengers are there. Just stick with one. And after that, you press on search. And after that, this page is going to load. And in here, you can just scroll down and check the available tickets. So we have the economy, the premium economy, and the business class. You gotta select this one, for example. And after that, this page is gonna load right here. And it's just gonna ask you to confirm or if you wanted to upgrade. And you're just gonna press on continue to review and pay. After that, it's gonna lead you to this page. And you just gotta scroll down and then fill in your information right here. After that, you're gonna go to the payment process where you enter your payment information and then you're just gonna press on complete purchase. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.